Meaning of effective.
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 Effective. Effective means producing the intended or desired outcome. It refers to the ability of something to achieve its intended purpose in a successful and efficient manner. When something is effective, it delivers results that are consistent with the goals that have been set. It implies that the approach taken is well suited to the task at hand and is capable of overcoming any obstacles that may arise. In short, effectiveness is about getting things done right and achieving the desired outcome with minimum effort, resources, and time.